I'm so confused.
Welcome to Easy Immunology. My name is Hannah.
My name is Alex.
And my name is Stefan, and today we are starting a new series on our YouTube channel, which is a bit different. So we are switching languages, as you might have noticed. And we are doing this in a collection of long-form content, which reflects closely the lectures I give at the university I teach in. And I will do this mainly as your lecturer. And I have recruited Alex, which is, of course, a well-known character from our YouTube channel. And I have recruited Hannah to help me both with questions. They are both fully trained biologists, and they will support me by asking the questions you might have when listening to the lectures. And as we have learned over the last years, this is a highly useful thing. What we will look at the immune system as both protecting us from infections and being a cause of disease. And on the health side, we will look at what it consists of with the innate immune system in the first lecture. Then we will look at T cells, immunological tolerance, and NK cells. We will look at B cells and the antibodies, and we will close the health part by looking at a new concept in immunology, which is called trained immunity, which is some kind of memory system that allows the innate immune system to also remember past infections. Then we will switch to the pathological side of immunology. We will look at misdirected immune responses as causes of allergies and autoimmune diseases. We will look at the interaction between the immune system and tumor cells and how usually the immune system eliminates tumor cells and how it can lead to the tumor suppressing the immune response. We will look at the immune system as a barrier to transplantation, and finally we will close with the immune system as cause of immunodeficiencies when one or more components of the immune system are either completely missing or are not functioning correctly, and this can lead to severe disease. With this, we hope to give you a good overview about the complexity of immunology as a whole. And with this, we look forward to seeing you in the first lecture. Have a good day and see you in the next lecture. Bye.
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 This was good.
This was good?
Not only not bad, it was good.